Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of pull-out process of the steel bar from the concrete uh, part. The concrete is modeled as a concrete damage plasticity with the tensile and compressive damage, and we use dynamic explicit steps to model the simulation, and also the cohesive base surface interaction by using stiffness and damage in the interaction. And you can see now the tensile damage which happened during the pull-out process. You can see the pull-out and the damage which happened. You can see the huge damage happen, and that means the failure for the concrete. The failure for the concrete happened by this model, and the Abaqus can't predict more than this for the concrete damage plasticity model, and also the compressive damage, the plastic deformation, plastic strain, stress, stiffness degradation. And we can see here the concrete stress. See, it is 5 times more than the tensile capacity. See that? You can see it here. And let's me to click on animate. See the stress. At the end, the failure happened. This means failure completely. So, and also the steel bar, and this is the steel bar. You can see we use symmetry model. We use half of the whole model, and you can see the displacement, plastic strain, and everything. So, and if you need this tutorial, you can come to our website www.abaqusfm.com. Find the English tutorials. For instance, this is our tutorials. Click on a blue sign or title, and then you will have short explanation about the geometry, material, steps, interactions, and load module and the mesh, and at the end there are some figures as a result. You can see them here. This is a force displacement diagram, and then you will have three important points here. The file contains here an English video file step by step, and the cost is $28. If you have Bitcoin, you can pay with that. If you haven't Bitcoin, you can use PayPal. If you have PayPal account, send me an email to this address, and then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for your attention.